How to find artists, news, notifications, settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find artists, news, notifications, settings on Deezer mobile. First thing, open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and now just click here notifications and then scroll down. Here you will find it. Artists I like. Then you can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's it. Now just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end. And see you in the next video.